See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday in and across Acadiana, and you enjoyed some of the mild temperatures we've had the past couple days, because things are about to change in a big way by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, as a shot of some very cold air will be moving in, and it's going to be sticking with us for at least the first half of the work week before we steadily begin to warm up towards the second half and into next weekend. Taking a look across the country, we can see not a whole lot going on, but we do have this one storm system pushing out of the Midwest and now pushing up into the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley that is producing some rain on the front side and then very heavy snow conditions on the backside. That is what brought the front down through our area and produced a few isolated showers to begin our Sunday. But let's take a closer look at the center of spin. You can see right now the low pressure beginning to move through the central portion of Illinois. The heavier rains on the east side pushing through Indiana and Ohio. And then on the backside, very heavy snow falling through Illinois back up into Wisconsin towards Milwaukee and into Chicago. Several inches of snow falling with whiteout conditions back in and along this area that extended over into Missouri this afternoon. But you can see it is now pushing off to the east. This is causing numerous travel delays for the people back through the Midwest. Thankfully, we're not going to see any of the snow, but it does look like we could see the cooler temperatures by tomorrow morning. Right now, high clouds continue to move in and across the area. That's preventing temperatures from dropping too much, but once we kind of clear out these clouds through the overnight and into our Monday, that'll allow those temperatures to cool off. Right now, we're still sitting at a very mild 61 degrees, but you can see those dew points have fallen behind the front down into the lower 40s, so we can see those temperatures fall a good bit through this evening. And with those winds out of the northwest at 17, gusting to 24, that is going to help to push down that cooler air that is up to our north and make for a very windy and chilly start to our Monday. You can see where that cold air is located right now in northern Texas and beginning to make its way into Shreveport as temperatures are into the mid-40s, and then we even have some lower 30s up towards Oklahoma City and 20s the farther north you get. So very cold Canadian air will be spilling down through the overnight and sticking with us into the first half of the upcoming work week. So through the rest of this evening, very breezy conditions helping to pull down the chilly temperatures. 42 for the low, feeling like 35. So get the heavy jackets, maybe even the hats and gloves heading out to school or work tomorrow morning. Some high clouds to begin the day. Those should clear out with sunshine, but even with the sunshine, temperatures will struggle to even reach 55 for an afternoon high. So we stay on the cold side. You'll need the jacket all day long tomorrow. Pushing into Tuesday, the good news is the winds start to die down, but still stay brisk offshore. So those people out on the rigs, it's going to be a breezy couple days offshore. Chilly temperatures continue into Tuesday morning, down into the mid-30s, of possible frost to start off today. High pressure will begin to build over. That'll knock down the winds and allow temperatures to get a couple degrees warmer. I think it feels a little nicer come Tuesday afternoon, but still on the cooler side. But by Wednesday, high pressure will slide off to the east. We'll start to get more of a westerly flow and begin the warming trend. So temperatures this evening dropping down into the low 40s. Interstate on southward, we got some upper 30s for Ville Platte up to Alexandria. So a very chilly start to our day, and we stay cool. Temperatures, as I mentioned, only get into the mid to low 50s across the area. Feeling like the lower 50s with the wind chill. Very cold heading into Tuesday morning, low the mid-30s across all of Acadiana, and then heading into the afternoon, not much of a warm-up, still staying mid-50s with plenty of sunshine. So a cool breezy night, temperatures falling fast, about 20 degrees down to 42 as clouds begin to thin. Then feeling like winter, about 25 degrees cooler than what we had today and 15 degrees below normal as we only touch 55 degrees with increasing sunshine during the afternoon. Here's a look at your winds, staying brisk through the overnight and through the first half of your Monday, but it does look like heading into the evening, winds will begin to die down, which is the good news. Warming trend into the second half of the work week with slight rain chances, but the best rain chance over the next 7 days looks to be next Saturday with our next frontal system, although behind it we don't cool off as much as when we fall back down into the 60s into the next week.
All right, thank you, Eric.